You'll be well rested throughout the camping trip with this comfortable 2019 Arctic Wolf 285 DRL4 fifth wheel. Find this model today at Lakeshore RV Center. This 31-foot, 2-inch long fifth wheel has a gel-coated fiberglass front cap and enhanced fiberglass high-gloss sidewalls. Outside, you'll find pass-through storage and an exterior shower with hot and cold water. This RV is prepped for solar with wiring. The interior is temperature controlled with the 15K air conditioner and the 35K BTU furnace. The kitchen features an island with a large sink and pull-out faucet. There is also a double-door refrigerator, pantry, microwave, and a 3-burner range cooktop. The living area has a hutch, freestanding table with chairs, a tri-fold sleeper sofa with end tables, and theater seating with massage and heat features. The entertainment center has a Bluetooth control stereo. The master bedroom has a sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, and a radius shower with a skylight. Step into the master bedroom to find a queen-size bed, which has Comfort Power Master Lift system. There are also bedside nightstands and mirrored wardrobes. Shop online at lakeshore-rv.com. With virtual tours, videos, and photo galleries, you're sure to find your perfect RV at the lowest price. Guaranteed. Want a more personal touch? Call us at 231-760-8805, where our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you get an amazing deal on the RV of your dreams.